I think no matter where you are these days, everyone has their mobiles on them, and I think it's just as easy to capture a perfect moment with your phone. Techniques when shooting, I think just take your time and make sure everything's sharp and in focus. Don't rush a shot. Focus on composition. Try and think of something a bit original in your framing. You might be more happy with the end result because you've got something different to everyone else. I like to keep my compositions quite simple and have something glaringly obvious in a frame that really draws you to it, and especially for social media and Insta, those very centered compositions where you might have a lone peak or a road or person in frame. Having a strong focal point is definitely key. So as much as planning and actually going on location and shooting is of the utmost importance, I think even more so is the editing process, and that really helps to bring about your vision to an image. It often takes an hour or 2 hours on one image to get things right. I'm a bit of a perfectionist, and sometimes less is more. I love how having Lightroom Mobile just takes the editing process to another level.